That's me.
Beautiful sunflowers, welcome back to the flower field. In today's video we are painting my ceiling fan, well, the blades on my ceiling fan, but pretty much we are doing a ceiling fan makeover. And if you guys want to see me paint that and redo my ceiling fan, just keep on watching. Here is the starting point of the fan, and I already took the blades down and I'm just going to paint them starting now. Here's the fan blade. I must get started because I'm procrastinating. I've been procrastinating for too long, so I have to get it started, and I am starting now. So this is all 4 blades just set out to dry, and I'm going to put them back onto the ceiling fan in a second. So y'all, just for a little mental refresher, here is what it looked like before. Boo, no, we don't like it as bland, it's boring. So here it is in all its beautiful glory. You guys, I had so much fun painting this, and I just wanted to show you guys this quick little process of redoing my fan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like it, hit the subscribe button, come back for more. I'll be here until my next video. Bye.